Welcome back, students. Let's now try to understand one more question. So this question involves the concept of handshakes. So before we solve this question, let's quickly have an understanding of this particular concept. Assume there are 5 people. So how many people are there? 5 people. And you are one among them. So how many handshakes will you do? Obviously, you cannot shake hand with you, right? So you'll definitely shake hands with 4 people, which is obviously the total number minus 1, right? Now, let's go to the next person. So let's go to the next person, who is the second person. So this second person, how many handshakes will he have? The unique handshakes. Don't count the handshake that you have done with him, right? Then in that case, he can have 3 unique handshakes which were not counted. And now let's go to the other person. So if you go to the next person, and if you want to know the unique handshakes which you have missed out in the first 2 rows, then he would have 2 handshakes. And then go to the 4th person. Then this 4th person would have 1 handshake, the unique handshake. And finally, if you go to the 5th person, if you want to count the unique handshakes, you will not have any handshakes, because by that time you might have had all the handshakes counted. So what I mean to say here is, if there are n people, how many people are there? If there are n people, then the number of handshakes starts from n minus 1, n minus 2, so on until it goes to 0. That means if there are n people, you just have to do the summation from 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on until n minus 1. Are you clear, students? I am repeating again. Don't remember everything, just understand the concept. The formula that you would be using to find out the number of handshakes is nothing but the summation of n minus 1 numbers. What is it? N minus 1 numbers. So what is summation of n minus 1 n numbers? So it's very simple. For n numbers, it is n into n plus 1 by 2, right? The summation for n numbers is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. But in this case, it is n minus 1. So substitute n minus 1 in the place of n, which is n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So the answer for this question is n minus 1 into n by 2, right? Right. Now, therefore, the number of handshakes for n people is nothing but n into n minus 1 by 2. It is also called as NC2. What is it? This is also called as NC2, right? Let's try to solve this question. At the end of a business conference, the 10 people present all shake hands with each other once. How many handshakes will there be altogether? So there are 10 people. Then the answer for this question is 10C2, which is 10 into 10 minus 1 by 2, which is 10 into 9 by 2, and then we have 9 into 5, which is 45. That is the answer for this question. Thank you so much.